I don't beg. I bless her, big energy, no effort. Look at me, that's pressure. I don't chase, I get her. I don't beg. I bless her. I don't beg, I bless her, big energy, no effort. Look at me, that's pressure. I don't chase, I get her. I don't beg, I bless her.
Yo, we're live, baby. To many people's surprise, we're still alive, even after yesterday's little L. And the exact move we were expecting yesterday came today. Of course, right? Of course. Has to come after the stop-loss hunt. It's the way the game goes. Gotta get the stop-loss hunt in before a banger move. We got a little impatient yesterday, but that's okay. The uptrend is here once again. It might be time to start along in the top again, boys. Just might be. Let's check out all of our accounts, make sure everything's good. Yes, everything is good. We're all toggled on. Yeah, well, we just gotta hope we don't get fucking gayed. And this just keeps on going up forever. At least long enough for us to get a few little scalps in. It's at a decent setup right now, but we're in no man's land once again. All-time highs, baby. Good morning, Joker. Futures forever. Colin, what up, boys? What the fuck is cooking? Nvidia just swept all-time highs. Getting a little pullback, nothing crazy. YM in the gutter, typical YM, super gay. RTY digging around as well. Gold still parked. Probably gonna be parked for fucking years, more than likely. NQ trying to take it up a notch still. Oh, man, she bullish all the time. I wonder if we can get to 29 to 18. That'd be sick. And we have to be a little bit careful today because we did take a nasty L yesterday on our 50K accounts. All of our other accounts are good, but our 50K accounts, TPT specifically, because we had a little bit unrealized yesterday when we were green at the beginning, they're hurting. They probably only have like $500 of drawdown left. Well, the rest of the accounts have a few thousand or close to 1,000 on some of the 50Ks. The ones that didn't have unrealized trillion drawdown, which is basically every other account actually. Lucid, Fideus, our TBT evals, Tradeify. Yeah, every other account is fine. It's just our TBT pros are kind of in the danger zone, so we can't really size like we did yesterday. We sized at the wrong fucking time yesterday, like retards too. So bad, but we'll just forget about that and see what we can cook up today. I mean, do we really want to go with fucking 2? I think we could just scale in with 1. Yeah, we'll just do that. I really fucking hope this keeps on trending. The past few days, just been a morning fucking pump, and then the rest of the day has just been dicking around. Kind of annoying. Just a little bit annoying. I can tell you what we're gonna do. If we're gonna go roll with the scalper brackets, we're not gonna be top blasting. We're gonna be entering at the bottom of the range. So this is like a range right here. So we want to get like an entry like 77 to 85. So we don't get fucking chopped up again. That's like one of the big things. If we're using scalper bracket order, we cannot really go for breakout plays unless it's like, it looks like a sure thing, right? Or it has a way higher probability. Regardless, we still probably want to enter at the bottom of the range. Today was the day I wanted yesterday. Yeah, me too. Someone got fucking cooked. He lost his bet. I thought you were safe, dude. I checked it a little bit after, and where was it? It was like right here. I was like, oh, you got fucking saved. But sure as shit, it came back down, swept the 600s, and then it fucking wicked the low one more time, huh? And then fucking grinded all the way back up. Classic NQ. Fuck me, this is the classic 2 candle pullback to explode up. I know I was just talking about range trading, but above 115 and we could fucking top blast this bitch. It's trending pretty fucking hard. Might just have to send it right here. Oh, she just swept the 115. She's not above it. Let's see if she'll get it. Do 5 minute. Still holding the uptrend. Do we have to wait for a bottom of the range entry? Back above 115. Okay, we're top blasting. Let's go. Let's cook it. Keep on pushing, baby. Send her on up. He's looking for a little high sweep. I think she's gonna blast way further, but we just re-enter. Today feels like a scalping day to me. What up, Tammy? Wanky? Thought I was safe too. It was around 611. Yeah. That was so funny, dude. It sure as shit. Got fucking cooked. But you did half size the bet this time. So yeah, that was a good call right there. A little bit of risk management and betting. This trend looks like it wants to continue here, boys. Looks like it really, really does. We are long at the highest the market has ever been. Hoping to buy high and sell higher here. I do have one standard deviation level, or two, one at 218, one at 329. Since we're in no man's land, we can't use pivot points, which is fucking annoying, but as long as it just keeps going up and we can just buy the top, I'm happy. There was one TP right there. Yeah, see, why the fuck didn't we do this yesterday when we were trading 5 to 6? My God. God, we have a little bit more drawdown now. Trying to save our accounts. I really don't feel like buying new accounts, even though that could be the simpler way to go. But we'll just keep scalping. We're probably going to be taking a lot of trades today. A lot of them. A lot of trades. What up, Tech T, baby? If this doesn't flush, we will top blast it once again. This is a classic setup. Fucking tops out, 2 candle rejection. Boom, grind it up right on the trend line. I fucking love this setup. Especially in this market right now where it's just so dummy bullish. It's just been printing for us. So I decided to sell my fart coin like a retard. I think it's probably gonna go way higher. And now I'm balls deep in a shit coin. I don't know why I do this all the fucking time. I did this fucking like 2 months ago too with some like coin called War. I put a bunch of money into it and I got fucking rugged. But I got a new shit coin and fucking hopefully it 10x's, 20x's. But I really wish I didn't sell all my fart coin. I really think fart coin is gonna fucking just go crazy, but I mean I got out at a good spot, made some money, so whatever. We'll see if it just grinds up forever or not. Okay, we didn't get the flush. Still at all-time highs right here. Waiting for the new 5-minute for the flush, actually. It's our SL and TP, 24 and 24, I believe. 90 ticks, so whatever that comes out to. I think that's 24 points, 22 points. 22 and a half points, yeah. Okay, we're targeting 218 here, but we're at the 50, so we're looking for a fucking little rejection here for a little flush, stop loss, and we're gonna go back to top blasting. But if it keeps on going, we're literally just gonna keep on blasting the top. Keep long, sir, all day, baby, every day. For at least 8 more days. 8 more trading days. Okay, the flush did not fucking happen, so we will be top blasting. And we'll go with 3 this time. Because we got some momentum on our side, baby. Keep the push pushing, baby. Keep on pushing, motherfucker. Got a 57 fill, which is not amazing, but if you think it's going to 215, should be no fucking problem. Do a little tier-based scalping system here. Hopefully we don't get caught in some super gay flush. buying the market, the highest it's ever been in history, baby. In fucking history. What do you guys think about this for new live day trading thumbnail? I've had this one with the cigar for fucking so long. How can I even show this to you guys? Oh shit, did we just get peaked? Still holding the trend line, we should be okay. Might fucking bottom tick us here, but I doubt it. Possibly add one more. For the pullback. It's not supposed to pull back like this, but it is what it is. Possibly add one more. We'll add one more. All right, check this out. You guys like this for a thumbnail or nah? Live day trading. Replace the cigar one. Ooh, getting a nasty little pullback. Ah, fuck, is it gonna get us? It did get us. Fuck. Don't tell me this is the fucking top. Ooh, fuck me. Hold on. Wait, chill on the thumbnail thing for a sec, yo. That looks like just a pullback. 110 maybe? Oh, that's all the way down there. That would kind of fuck up our uptrend here a little bit, huh, boys? That might be it for the pullback, to be honest. 110 would be ideal. Cigar one is better? Yeah, I know, but I need a new one. Or this one. I don't know. I need a new thumbnail, right? I guess I don't really need one, but I don't know. Trade micros and minis. I do micros. I copy trade a shitload of accounts, so so micros add up quick. Okay, we might get our 110 entry here. Yeah, we'll get our 110 entry. Jesus. But it's an all-time high fucking pullback. Ugh. Sometimes these get vicious, but let's hope it's not one of those vicious ones. God damn it. Sure the floor doesn't fall out here. Keep holding the 100s. Gotta keep on holding it. Don't go to the 85s, motherfucker. It's fucking same scenario as yesterday, huh? Ah, shit. Long at the top ain't working today. The past 2 days, god damn it. We just got fucking plowed again. Fucking all-time highs. The 15-minute does look like a 3-bar reversal. Fuck me. Just swept this pivot right here, though. It's not as bullish as I thought it was gonna be. Didn't sweep it either, actually. It looks like it was a stop loss hunt. Fuck me. Could still go all the way back down to 974. Oh, Jesus. This is giving me fucking yesterday vibes big time, but I don't think it's gonna be as bearish as yesterday. We might have just got super unlucky. Might have to chase it back on up. It should get to at least the 140s. Let's try it. Even if it is gonna come down, it should fucking at least tap the 140s-ish. Unless it wants to sweep this low right here. When it failed to do it. It's bottom of the hour. The dip and rip, maybe. And by dip and rip, I mean that was the dip, and now we rip. Come on, man. Let my top blast work again. That was so nice when it was just going up forever. Holding nicely. We'll add one more. Want at least the 140s here. 15-minute is signaling a 3-candle reversal. Maybe she'll hold it. And not want to fucking sweep this low right here. She didn't sweep and got the lick bounce, so that's a really good sign. Might actually add one more here. That one will be our runner. We want the 140s. Then we'll have one more that goes a little bit higher. Let's see if this will cook. I'd be shocked if we do the same shit as yesterday. Some highs are gay, no structure to trade from. Yeah, but you just bet on it going up, so I don't mind all-time highs. I hated it last year when I would short it. But this year I don't mind. Up until yesterday. And possibly today, if we lose this trade, I'm gonna be fucking getting salty again. Possibly. We're about to step into the danger zone here. On our TPT pros. Yep. She wants his low sweep. Or just a complete cliff like yesterday. We have a fucking head and shoulders appearing right now. Fucking gay. So gay. It's vapes. No fucking... No bullshit. There's that sweep that I had a feeling was coming, but now I'm kind of fucking too beat up to long it again. Even though it'd probably cook. Alright, let's go for it again. Problem is, it got the lick bounce big time before. So this might be the slow descent off the cliff here. We can't short it. I wouldn't want to short it here, so let's hope for the best. See the 140s get tapped, maybe. Don't go off the cliff, motherfucker. This is very similar to yesterday, actually. If it does the same shit as yesterday, I'll be surprised, though. Maybe a deep pullback to 29K and go up, but like straight off the cliff and stay off the cliff. About to crash out like yesterday, you think so? Is it pump and dump central today? Friday sell-off or Friday moonshot? We swept the low of the range, so I'd assume we'd go fucking for 215. If not, we'll at least get a little scalper, maybe. For about 2 hours, sounds like gunfire been heard near Strait of Hormuz. What's new? Got a one take us? Nah, okay, got us. On one scalp. No, wait, we want the 140s. We do want a runner though. We think it's going to 215s. It did the little gut check already. Don't think it's gonna fucking do a deep pullback. It fucking just might. Seems like it just failed right there for the deep pullback though. So the ground back on up could be cooking. Let's see how the sell pressure looks. If it gets a little out of hand like yesterday, then we're back to fucking sit on our hands till the pullback's done. What's gay is if we didn't do the scalp, or if we went our normal 50 pointer, we wouldn't have got stopped out so many times over here. When it's all-time highs, I like to use the scalper because yeah, like we were longing the top right there, we got stopped out before a fucking deeper crash, you know what I mean? She doesn't reject the 240s here. We should see 215. Is it 215? Yeah, 215, 218. What's up, James? Normal points or ticks? I go with 50 and 50 usually points. We just have breathing room if I don't get like a sniper entry. This is really giving yesterday's vibes. What are the odds it does it again? There's the hundreds. Possibly add one more for the hundreds hold. Let it push up to those 240s, baby. 140s, and then the 215s. She already got her fucking low range sweep, so I do not want to see her get back down there again. That'd be the danger zone. May need to add one more, but I want to see if it's going to do another gut check on us. We got a high volume node right here. Above that, we might be able to add. It's not trending that hard, though. Okay, it's above it. I mean, it makes sense to add. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's see that push. We want more momentum, baby. More pushing to the moon. If it rejects 940s, we're in trouble for a moonshot, though. It looks like she wants to send it. Holy shit, yeah, come on, baby. Full fucking send. So at the top of the range right here. Let's see this follow through. Big fucking push. Could be another ad. But I want to see what happens in 140s first. Okay, nice. TP1. I think we might have to hold these as runners. This is looking mighty bullish on the 15. We don't want to see a big rejection here. Think it's gonna drop today? Why? It already dropped yesterday. We need 30K, baby. Need that 30K. 900 points, then we could drop. Possibly at 215. I mean, who knows? But right now we're looking pretty bullish. Trying to hold these 140s though, which is not cool. New 15 right here as well. If it was gonna drop, this would be fucking where it would start. Need to scalp it. Take one off just in case. I'm just gonna get out of everything. Yeah, fucking James fucking say it. I think it's gonna drop today. Trade minis, micros is pointless. No, it's not pointless. You try trading fucking minis with fucking 2K of drawdown and 30 fucking accounts, dude. I'd like my accounts to survive more than fucking one day, dude. Could be a re-entry at 110, but this is the exact level we're supposed to. It could reject and bing, right off the cliff. It's holding though. Ooh, she wants to be bullish. We get out at 131. Let her rip. She starts her descent now. We're in for a fucking world of pain like yesterday. Like 5 to 10 points in 1 minute. Yeah, but I could also lose 5 to 10 points in 1 minute. Okay, holding 140s. We might go for this fucking breakout. Just going for it. Fuck. Decent little pullback though. Might just be able to top blast this. $15 looks so good for the 215s. Can we get a quick little flush? Quick little flush. What does it take to get a payout? I don't know. Depends which prop firm. TBT, it could be like less than a week or a day. Even with micros, we still make tens of thousands of dollars a day. It's like you guys are severely underestimating the power of micros. They're trying to chase fast money. God, the hourly's so dummy bullish. I really think she wants that 215, but I want to fucking get the 111 entry if we can. I fucking hope this doesn't just melt through. I'll be right back. Right. It's not look like we're gonna get our flush, so we're back to top lasting. Possibly. Do 5 minutes. Ooh. New 5 minute might give us the flush. Just want a quickie though, nothing like crazy, like a quick wick down, not like a push and stay down. It feels like a trap. It really does. But the market's just so dummy bullish that maybe it won't be a trap. Or they quant investors. Then your short idea is gonna fail, dude, if investor shows up. I'm on to a trading, but this is not an easy path. Nah, dude, trading is one of the hardest things you could ever fucking do, dude. So many ups and downs. It looks like we are gonna be top last once again, boys. Oh, did we get instant regret? I don't think so. Go for a high sweep here with 2 of them. And we'll look for one little runner. She's holding so well. She could just flush so hard, but it looks like she's gonna go for the push. I still might want the flush. Just holding very well though. Could be an ad right here. Our stop loss is right at the 125s. We want our entry to be like 110s. If I want to add at the top here, this could fucking easily be the top high of the day. $15 looks really good for the push though, as of right now. A little bit of a rejection. Could just be an ad right here. Stop losses are right at this little pivot though. Pain in my balls. We do ad right here, at least one, maybe two. No, just one. One will do. Let's see her keep on pushing, baby. I want to add more. This looks pretty good. Maybe just one more. You want the 215s ideally. We'll do one runner above the 200s. But any psychological level could reject here, so 200s we got to be a little careful around. Any level in general could be a fucking massive fucking cliff. It's what's sketchy about all-time highs, but bet on the bulls. Usually it cooks. Even when you're long in the highest the market's ever been. Big push, big push. I want to see a nasty ripper like wick through all-time highs, fill all these fucking TPs. Preferably not a wick because my copy trader will send market orders instead of limits, but no, not the one tick again. Okay, nice. Let's end it higher, baby. Higher. Oh, not equal highs. There's probably a bunch of liquidity sitting there. It kind of makes sense that it could reject there, but I think it will rip through and keep on going, baby. Actually gonna move these TPs a little higher. This could be the last leg up. I fucking doubt it. I think we'll keep on ripping, but you never know. Breakout time. Is that just a little sweep? Motherfucker. Why is nobody else top blasting? I need some people full porting this fucking all-time high right now. I really don't like that little tiny sweep, but should have got the liquidity sitting at all-time highs, so maybe we just blast through now. Could be a double toppy sloppy though. I doubt it's a double sloppy toppy. I would add right here, but I mean, if it is a double top, it's not gonna be cool. Bob is my TP. Shit. Slap 3 minis down and be done. How are we in the negative? I got bottom take too many times here. I'm running the small fucking 90-90 stop loss TP, so I got chopped out. It's been happening the past week 2 times actually. On Monday and yesterday we got fucking chopped out. Stupid. Just send 3 minis and be done. Then slap 3 minis down? Are you saying to go fucking short, bud? I know Grant's not telling me to short. Now you're probably telling me to send 3 minis long, which isn't a bad idea, but what if it does fall off a cliff? Fucking blow all my accounts. Be stupid. I like having extra lives. We can't move these TPs up though, 'cause it's sticking around a lot. So I think it's going to 200, so we could just move one of those way higher. Hear that? No, not short. Okay, good, dude. Catch that short a minute ago. I missed the morning bomb, taking a kid to school. Nice job catching that short. But fucking, how'd you even fucking know it was gonna be a short? I mean, I saw it on the 15 as a possible 3 candle reversal, but I was looking at longs around 800 over here this morning, but then I realized NFP was coming, so I was like, I can't even hold my TBT pros through NFP, so I was like, fuck that. I need a top blast this again for a scalp. A little risky though. This is a flushable zone. Get a wick down for 20 points. Fucking fairly easy. I'm gonna blow up either way? No, I'm not, dude. I've been grinding for months, dude. Still alive, baby. Still alive. Total gamble chase with the short I got. Just waiting for dips. Longing is just a move right now. Just non-stop fucking going up. I mean, yesterday we had a brief pause, but I mean, every other fucking day just goes up. These type of grinder moves though, it is kind of nicer to size heavy. Pullbacks are fucking brutal, so nah, we don't even need to. Not in a rush for a payout or anything. Don't really care that much. 215 is the target, baby. These were so unnecessary, these fucking losses right there. Literally bottom ticked fucking 3 times. Stupid. That's kind of annoying. Just bring this TP inside there. So sketchy at all-time highs. You never know if it's just gonna dump through it. More than likely it's not, but still sketchy. $272 incoming? Yeah, you think so? Yeah, I'm thinking 29, 215. Yeah. That's at least. I mean, we're at all-time highs, right? So we have no levels to go off of, but that's what the standard deviation is. It's the only thing we can go with, right? It's number 2. So literally nothing else we could use. There's no pivot points. All we have is trend lines and standard deviation when we're at all-time highs. And fucking bullish confidence, baby. All a trader needs, a little bit of confidence to buy and hold. Possibly full port, which I'm really fucking starting to think about now. But you guys just want to see me fucking blow up, so fuck you guys for that advice. I do want to revenge trade a little bit from yesterday. I'm pretty pissed off that we took so many L's yesterday. It's super unnecessary, but I was just fucking pissed. I do kind of want to make it up today. Then we would have to size super heavy. What the fuck is Marcus saying? Did you short invest stars, dude? Why didn't you give me the signal, dude? I'm sitting here like, fuck, maybe it'll go down. If you would have just told me you're short, I would have fucking way more confidence. Maybe I would have doubled my size, dude. Fib extension, the morning's down move. We respected all levels so far. 272 is next. I'm okay with 272. Sounds cool to me, man. Some wiki 5 minutes here. Still kind of want to add, but it looks like she might want to flush. Upward chop with a lot of wicks. I mean, she might just run it straight to 272. Let's go heavy with trend. I know, low-key I should. So we're at a sketchy spot right now. I mean, more than likely we are going to those 200s. That could be another 20 points right there. With size, that could be $1 million. Billion. If we have enough contracts. All right, I hope that fucking didn't just fuck my. We blew 3 TPT evals, but whatever. The problem is with the copy trader, we have market orders, so on wicks like that, we might not actually get the full TP. It might actually execute the other ones like a little bit lower. That was a 190 push. Can we keep going, or do I need a bail here for fucking a quick rug? Dodge the rug. Seems like people are full porting the top, so maybe we double down? Maybe just 2 more? Go for it. Right at 200s. Best serves in the chat. Longs to 25,400. I'm fucking dead, dude. We're gonna keep adding. Pray she doesn't rug pull us. Better keep on pushing, baby. Grind out those bears. Grind them out. Looks toppy, not gonna lie. Always looks toppy, dude. We're at all-time highs. It is getting super wicky though from the upside, but it's still grinding. So just gotta believe in the bulls. Is it gonna be a quick flush though? Or do we need a full port this for the last fucking... These 5 minutes are looking sketchy. Still holding the trend as of right now. Should we add? Might be pullback time. Fucking doubt it, but it might be. Looks like it wants a quick flush. Okay, well, it's gonna fucking go. This could just be another ad. Could be fucking topped out completely. We'll add. Fuck him. Let's see if she'll just keep on running it. Might get our fucking stops. Oh my god, one tick. Save us. Don't do it. Don't do it. Sell pressure's getting a little bit real though. It's a little bit toppy. New 15. Probably still gonna moonshot. We just got super fucking unlucky, but it's still green trades, I guess. But whatever. Pretty gay, but that's what we get for using a fucking scalper. Scalper bracket order. Stop loss hunt complete, perhaps. Someone just took a lot of profits. Profit taking, my boy, profit taking. Some putty just TP'd my SL. Fucking got me right at the bottom, this motherfucker. Maybe it's topped out. I really doubt it. It very well could be. Didn't get the 215s though. 90s. I just want to add. I know it looks a little bit topped out, but is it really? $106 could be in the cards. Wouldn't mind adding these two back right now, but fuck me. All-time high fucking clips are sketchy. I think we do just add them back though. Fuck it. Let's go. Basically right where we got stopped out at. Hopefully we don't get fucking rickrolled right here. Could wait for the 130s. So exit and re-enter maybe. I think it's just gonna wick the fuck back on up. Should just be profit taken. $130's entry would be pretty sick. We'd have to exit right now. New 15 incoming. No wiki, por favor. Just hold the line, motherfucker. Hold the line. It really looks like it wants the 130s. Let's hold the line. Yeah. Might just be out. I guess we'll just get out. It can't just go up forever again. Go a little and slow roll the rest of the day. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I want to re-enter the 130s, but we didn't really fucking save much. Could wait for the 100s, 110s. That would be fucking kind of nice. We're still red? What the fuck, dude? So gay. Oh, it's because of this fucking bullshit chop right here. The bottom tick central. No massive sell-off, just down to 100s. That's it. 107-ish. No lower than that, por favor. She's going for it. 130 is a good entry too. Shorts for days, you think? I fucking hope not, dude. Damn near tapped our 130s right there, but look embarrassed enough to get to the 110s. Hopefully no Omega Cliff. It's all-time highs, so you never know. There's the 130s. $110, we're gonna send it. Do we need to take the 130s? Actually, it was a pretty deep pullback. Because James, I love your passionate hate towards investors. James fucking hates bulls or Burma bears. Hates them. Our 130s would cook for a little scalper, but oh shit. With long 140, we're gonna chill a bit. I don't know if I'm gonna get my 110. It's supposed to happen a little bit faster. Yep, like a quick wick down, tag it, come back up, but it only got to 124. Which is not cool. So now we're DIH. Fuck. Damn, I should have clicked the button. I know. Fucking, I'm pissed off, dude. 130 was my fucking safest entry. Or my riskiest entry, but... All-time highs, baby. We really should just switch to the 50-pointer, but... I don't like it. Because all-time highs fucking rejections are crazy sometimes. Oversized and decently heavy. Damn, our 215s is coming up real soon. After that, like 330s. This is just gonna blast. If we don't top blast it, we might miss out, but super risky. I got left DIH, motherfuckers. Dick in hand. Running without us. Inverse stars. He said just make a YouTube stream called Inverse Stars. Oh shit, that'd be lit. I'd sub for sure. Oh. Gonna be one of those grinder days. Always looking to push through that all-time highs. We just say fuck it. Let's say fuck it. Let's go for a 215 TP. We missed the nice pump, so now we gotta go in for the grinder. Kind of want to full port this low key. Just be stupid. It's not like trending super hard or anything. It's just like looks bullish. It is trending pretty hard, but not like a fucking super beautiful strong trend, you know what I mean? It's like a half-ass trend. Higher chance we just range here though. After 215s, I think so. We'll probably start ranging, but I think we gotta sweep the 215s first. Maybe market doesn't give a fuck about standard deviation. She just wants to range. I'm gonna add one more just in case. Hopefully we can go blitzkrieg right here. We can just call it a day after these TPs. Call him short, do not fade me. James, are you actually? You wild. In 15 minutes still looks pretty bullish. Sure, the 200s could cook, but I think we're gonna get the 200s. I really do. These are just kind of a hope shot in case we do just fucking obliterate. One more minute left in the 15. Can she close with a bang? It's also bottom of the hour. Twenty seconds and she's still rejecting. No dip and rip, por favor. Don't do it. Just rip. Just rips. That's it. No dips. Rips only. 5 seconds. Big push. Big push. Big blast. No rejection at the highs. I'll take one off just in case. Bottom of the hour pullback. Do 15 minutes. Still fucking trying to get that push. Rejection could be vicious, but fucking I hope she just fucking rips, man. Ah, fuck. God damn it. Okay, she can get our stops. That's nice, but sloppy double toppy. It's gonna get us. That'd be all the Bears got. Not liking the momentum from the Bears or the Bulls. Bulls barely any momentum. Every dip's just getting bought up. Could that be the final dip before the rip? Now we get a full sender. Fucking got lucky as balls right there. Almost fucking bottom take those again. Blast off time, blast off. Scammer just posted a free Mac in Discord. What the fuck? He gone. Fuck, did we not even sweep it? No, we didn't sweep it. I banned him. Got the ban hammer on him. Might be bailing on this, low key. Can't seem to make a new all-time highs. Fucking profit taking's already happening, but it's just profit taking. So much passive buying. Chances are we slow grind up. Yesterday was all the selling. Fucking that ended real quick. Seconds left on the 5. Just long and all-time highs, no big deal. Long in the top of the market, baby. Can we buy high and sell higher? Ooh, there's another new all-time high. LED. Can't she finally fucking run it? Only up like 1.7% today. It's no big deal. Just keep on going forever. Good trade ad. I'm pretty comfy with our sizing right now. Especially since I think at 215s we could have a bit of trouble. I'm just holding some runners just in case we do rip. Break out, motherfucker, break out. Coming up on the 200s. Look at you blast it. Yeah, baby. Oh my, come on, hit that TP, motherfucker. Why is it always just getting one tick from our TP? Look at that shit. It's so annoying. Okay, nice. Okay, we're coming up to the 215s, which I thought was gonna be a big rejection level. I fucking hope it's not, and we just keep on ripping here. Yes, there's a 215 sweep. Oh no, our TP was 217. No big rejection. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's holding below the 215s. Don't reject it. Don't do it. Fuck, our extra 2 points. Fucking got us, but I guess we'll just move it up. Fuck it. That wasn't even 2 points, it was fucking 3 ticks. Oh god, this has such fucking high chance of rejecting. Oof. Literally all we have at all-time highs is standard deviation. Yeah, it looks like the bull market's bullish after all. Who knew, dude? Who fucking knew? Who knew that the bulls were gonna be bullish? Whoever says the market can't go up forever is just fucking wrong, motherfucker. It really can go up forever. But it really can fucking fall off a cliff here too, which I'm not too excited about. That ass swept our 215 to the dot, but it's not rejecting super hard, so I'm inclined to think we're going to 275. All-time highs is a scalping market, though, usually. For me, I prefer to scalp it. But if it's just gonna run, might as well try to capitalize on it a little bit by holding. Any sign of a rejection again, though, I'm fucking paper handing and selling. How gay would it have been if we fucking got stopped out by this? I probably would be tilting by now. Good news is I probably would have tilted long anyways, and we would have made the money back, but it just would have been gay. There's a tiny sign of a rejection. Break at 200s and we're fucking panic selling. It's holding the 200s. Standard 2.5 is 330s, baby. Could see a runner. It'll take fucking 2 hours, but we could see it. LFG. We got ourselves a fucking slow grind, boys. Never know if it's just gonna dip 50 points, too. Just never know. Break at 200, I'm still panic selling. Yeah, there's a break at 200s, I'm panic selling. And we're actually green, but barely fucking green. Ugh. So your trading wise so far? We're not positive by like a little bit. We would be up fucking, I don't know, like 30, 40 G's or something like that. But I spent 20K in one day on TBT Pro resets, so I think we're only up. I think we're only up 20 G's on the year right now from prop firms. Yeah, it's not going amazing, but it's not bad either. Mostly been grinding on these Apex accounts, so we actually get these accounts that pay out that we're going to be at 6 figures and then some in profits, assuming our other accounts get to pay out as well. But we are green. That's what counts, boys. That's what counts. Green is good. Better than 90%. Yeah, hell yeah. 20K on props. 20K in a day, Grant. In one day. And the worst part is, I think I was fucking tilting that day like super fucking hard just for no reason, like just being a retard, right? And yeah, and one day on TBT Pro resets, dude. And when I was like maybe like 5K in, because I was already pissed off, right? I don't even remember what happened. Some bullshit. Maybe it was like 10K, maybe even just 15K, something like that. When I was like that far in, I had an $18,000 payout. I had it like locked in, like the trade was closed and everything. I was like, wait, what if I can make it 50K? And then I blew all that money and I fucking tilted extra hard. The fucking TBT got me, dude. They got me. There's our flush right there. It hit our level for the day. It's probably gonna keep going up, but Friday, we just fucking say bug it. It's kind of like a slow, gay, choppy grind, but still bullish. So we could try to, bro. You gotta at least play some 0DT or some shit. Yeah. I mean, I used to. I don't do that anymore though. Because with props, dude, I mean, it's rare that I'll spend 20K. Like, I've never, ever spent 20K in a day on a prop until this year, right? And I think the only way you could do that is with TBT Pro resets, right? I had like, what, 40, 25K to 50K evals in the bank, or resets. And I just fucking used all of them up. That's classic. That's classic, hey, Don. Boa tarde, Brazil. What up, smart money? I guess that's the new 50K in Apex. What do you think? I haven't tested it yet. I'm still on the legacy accounts. This new Apex email I passed looks like requiring 50% consistency in my summary. That's for the PA accounts only, overseas. So I passed one day yesterday, now showing passed. Yeah, just pay the PA fee, and you'll be good. But you do have 50% consistency in the funded account. Remember that. It used to be 30%, now it's 50%. They're like straight to funded accounts? Yeah. But with TBT, there's no consistency rule. So I would reset those bitches, make like fucking 10K. Or not 10K. I was always going for 10K per account, but I'd reset 5 of them at a time. No, actually, I think I was doing like 1 or 2 at a time. And, you know, some would fucking hit like a 5-6K banger. Some would hit like maybe an 8K banger. And then 10K is the max you can make in a day, right? So I was always trying to go for the max, and then I'd fucking end up blowing my shit. How much is a funded reset on the pros? It's $650 for a 50K, $450 on a 25K. It adds up quick. Unrealized trailing drawdown too, you gotta remember that. So fucking this shit can go fast. I think it's the last one you should go with because of the price. Only if you want to scale, yeah. Yeah, Apex is mainly if you want 20 fucking accounts. You send it. Damn, that fucking pump. Skeet. Maybe we'll just stick with the scalper bracket and just stick to the fucking actual take profits, and just every pullback we just long it till it hits our TP. And we'll just wait for another pullback and long it again. Oh, it's not saying past. Maybe you gotta wait till tomorrow, dude. Past 1 day yesterday. Was it a full 24 hours? Might need to be a full 24 hours. But no, if you passed it before market closed yesterday, I'm a little confused. And it's saying it's requiring 50% consistency in the eval? No. I don't think Apex changed that. Pretty sure it's still 1 day to pass. Let me check something really quick. Oh, yeah, you can still pass in one trading day. Yeah, maybe it's just glitching. Maybe you just gotta open up a support ticket. Yeah, it's still 1 day to pass, so you're passed. You're good. You have 7 days to activate it now instead of fucking 48 hours. It's a little tiny high sweep. I think I'm gonna try playing this little range right here along the 70s, 74s. So we just fucking range play this right here. Unless it just starts breaking out, I'll fucking chase it, but. I have 10 funded and first time showing this. Yeah, super strange. Make sure you're above after fee. Yeah, maybe commissions got you. I don't know. I've never heard of that before. It's super weird, dude. It's got to be some kind of glitch. So just open up a support ticket. I mean, it's Friday anyway, so you don't even need the funded account today. It's fucking stupid to trade up a funded account for the first time on a Friday. Fridays are notorious for fucking it up. Trump gonna speak in 10 minutes? For reals? Are you for rizzles, dog? My sick financial juice app. Oh, yeah. Trump speaks in Rose Garden. Uh-oh. Yeah, maybe we can get some sick scalps in during Trump. Hopefully he says some wild shit. I'm still more than likely gonna long the 70s anyway. This is like upward chop though. It's a little bit sus, but it's still technically trending, so. I am kind of thinking in money though. I'm a little bit pissed off about yesterday. I'm trying to make back that money we lost yesterday. Like in my head, that's what I'm thinking about. It's probably not a good thing. This is a good trade though, possibly 170s. If we can get that low. But with Trump coming on, I mean, it could just fucking. Yeah, we might not take that trade. The range play would probably work if Trump wasn't coming. Fuck. In like 8 minutes. Don't say that ain't on, dude. I don't know if you're American or what, but Trump did a fucking lot for America, and he risked his fucking life to do it. I don't even want to know where we'd be if fucking that did go the other way. Okay, we have 5 minutes till Trumpy Poo gets on the mic. What is going to happen? We're still holding a beautiful, beautiful little trend here. It's such slow upward chop. There couldn't be we just fucking dunk it. I think I'm out on the range play. Now with Trump coming on in 5 minutes. Now if it fucking dunks to like 100s or the 70s, I'm just like some bullshit, I'll buy that up. Are they fucking using Trump to fucking just be a catalyst to send this bitch to the moon or what? Looks like they're just waiting for him to grab the mic. You got like Paulo, good afternoon. Doing a lot for Israel about it. I mean, dude, like, do you believe that there's true evil in the world, or do you think that like true like completely evil people that like want to see the world burn and want to kill everybody that disagrees with them, like, do you think those are like a real type of people, or do you think everyone's just like, oh, la la land, and everyone has good intentions? Because, you know, I don't give a fuck about Jews. I literally don't care. But if Iran is as evil as everyone thinks, which I mean, the way they act, it kind of makes sense, and the way they fucking act as their own people and fucking killing women in the streets and shit, I could see them fucking blowing people up with nukes, right? And Israel would be the very first to go. And I don't think Trump is like, oh, I need to do what Israel wants. I mean, Trump's been saying Iran can't have a nuclear weapon since the 1980s. So anyone that says that fucking the Jews or Israel has an impact on what Trump's decisions are, I think that's just completely bullshit. Trump just can't be bought and has the best interests of the American people, and he's doing it right, in my opinion. I mean, sure, he makes mistakes and shit, but he's doing it right for the most part. And he's doing what no other president has the balls to do. He fucking took out a menace to the world. And if you think that Iran would have just blew up fucking Israel and just been like, okay, yeah, we're done trying to kill people and blow shit up. No, it wouldn't be like that. They would move on to Europe and then fucking eventually the US and then South America and then the rest of the world. How can you buy someone that already has billions of dollars, dude? Do you guys really think that people are just that money hungry that doesn't matter how much fucking money they have, they'll just never be happy? It's just like that's like classic like brokey thinking. Like once you actually have a bunch of money, you realize that money just isn't that important. As long as your basic human needs are taken care of, having a stockpile of money just doesn't do anything. You literally just do whatever the fuck you want. And then having more of it just doesn't do anything. It literally just doesn't. Trump's live. Or coming up to the mic probably right now. We're listening to Trump's speech. Actually, that's not a bad idea. Let's hear what he has to say, actually. Where's it gonna be at? The White House YouTube, maybe? White House. May 8th, yeah, this is it. Yeah, let's check it out. He's gonna deliver a speech, baby. Let's see what he has to say. Let's go to theater mode. What did that even do? We're just gonna put it on the background though, because I want to look at the charts. So I still want to take some trades. James, I know you're like the wise ass fucking know-it-all type of guy, dude, and want to stay anon and shit like that, but you need to stop running your mouth, dude. Keyboard fucking warrior over here. Probably doesn't know dick about dick. Still fucking thinks he's the shit. It's because I don't give a fuck about politics, dude. I literally just don't care. It's not my fucking problem. What I do care about is mass amounts of immigration coming into the US and having a fucking auto pen as a president. That just pisses me off. You already know James, that kid that cries fucking, oh, the Jews did this to me, oh, the Jews are fucking ruining my life, or like whenever something bad happens to him, he's blaming the Jews. I don't know, maybe black people, whatever. I don't know James like at all, but he's blaming somebody else for his problems for sure. You already know he's that type of guy. Trump pump before speech. It looks like it's setting it up for it, but I mean, still not live yet, so we'll see the initial reaction as soon as he does come up to the stage. Yeah, I could give less of a fuck about politics. I literally only started like actually like listening and like kind of diving into politics literally 1 week before Charlie Kirk was taken from us. Literally like when I found him, he just like popped up my feed or whatever. I started listening to him. I'm like, oh wow, like I kind of like this guy, right? Never gave a fuck about politics whatsoever before then. But Charlie Kirk, I was listening to him. I was like, this guy, yeah, like this guy makes sense. It's kind of like Andrew Tate. It's like common sense shit that nobody fucking talks about. These guys like come out and start talking about it, and it's just like, yeah, like that's the way it just should be. It's just like, oh my god, people like lose their minds about it. And then fucking yeah, a week later I fucking see the video of Charlie getting fucking smoked, and it was just that fucking pissed me off. And then I kind of dove deeper into politics because of that. But I still don't care enough about politics to actually like want to get into it or like do anything about it. Like, it's just not my problem. If I don't like somewhere, I'll just leave. Like, I left the US when Biden was president because he's a fucking retard. And because I wanted to travel the world. I mean, politics didn't really have much influence on me, but as long as the stock market is going up and it's trending, I'm fucking happy. Yeah, politics is it's a waste. It's a waste of time. It really is. Everyone has their own fucking thoughts. Everyone has their own opinions. Majority of people get fucking eaten up by the propaganda machine and can't even have their own thoughts. So it's like it's literally just a waste of time to talk about. Like, most people cannot even think for themselves when it comes to politics. They just can't. They're unable to, especially nowadays. Where fucking people are doom scrolling, listening to fucking 50 videos, all saying the same shit. And then it gets embedded in their brain and literally just like flips a switch in their head. They become radicalized eventually. I think you got it twisted who the real threat is between Israel and Iran. Well, I would assume it's all about China, right? I mean, China might be a big threat. I think they have a major fucking crisis happening in their country, personally, but I don't believe any fucking radical society should have fucking nukes. None. Charlie was against any war with Iran, talked bad about Israel. Yeah, like I said, I mean, I don't agree with everything Charlie said, but most of his values, like traditional women, don't fucking think you're a fucking man when you were born a girl. Like just the basic shit. It's like, I don't know. I like, it still blows my fucking mind to this day that that's even like a fucking topic, like that we even have to talk about it. Like, I think it's a waste of fucking breath talking about it. I just think people are so fucking retarded sometimes that like I just don't even want to talk about it like at all. It's just literally going in circles about like the most retarded shit I could think of. Like, never in my life did I think that fucking a girl is gonna be thinking she's a man, get a fucking dildo shoved inside her and fucking stitched into her so she could have a dick. Like it's just, it fucking blows my mind. Common sense is not that common these days. Yeah, it's incredible. I can't believe it. It's a huge reason I don't fuck with a lot of people. It's just people lack common sense. It's too retarded. Way too retarded. Who do you think killed Charlie Kirk? I have no fucking idea, dude. Probably some guy that's dating a transvestite. I mean, that makes sense. I'm surprised they have the skills to pull it off. But anyone can get good at anything, right? You just practice, so I don't know. I think Charlie should have had way more security. Like, when I first saw him, literally a week before his death, like, one of my like first thoughts was like, this guy needs some fucking security. You know what I mean? I was like, I hope fucking nobody tries to kill this guy. And I was like, not like my first thoughts. My first thoughts were like kind of like listen to what he was saying, but you know, I was like, holy shit, like this guy's really going against the grain. Like, nobody else has the balls to talk about common sense anymore, and Charlie did, and he just wanted to talk. But like I said, the propaganda machine's so fucking strong that if you don't agree with somebody, you can't just talk about it anymore. You gotta go fucking shoot them, apparently. So I don't know. It's a sad world. It's a sad world. And we got Chud the Builder going fucking crazy right now, too. You guys see that guy going fucking nuts? Oh, God. A lot of big, bald motherfuckers are coming out now. It's fantastic. I can't wait to see where we are in fucking 10 years. I can't wait to see what the history books have to say about this time, too. You gotta realize we're living through, like, the craziest fucking time in history. Not like war, like... Okay, World War II was probably the craziest time in history, but like right now it's like fucking mental warfare, psychological warfare. It's probably all gonna be traced back to, like, you know, China, Russia, or whatever, and it'll be like, yeah, like they literally fucking propagandized half of America, try to kill them from within and stuff like that. That's my guess, but we'll see. We'll see. Time will tell. Dude, the market's deadass not going anywhere. Oh, Trump's late. That's why. It still didn't even start. I was wondering what the fuck is going on. Fatigue is real. Yeah, we're deadass not moving. Everyone's just waiting for Trump. It looks like we might get this little push right here. Not worth the chase, though. It could be. We're still under that 215. Unfucking believable. You shut the fuck up, James. You need to stop saying shut the fuck up. James is one of those people that'll fucking lose their fucking mind. They can't talk. He can't talk. He has to just fucking... Oh, he's probably raging right now, slamming his desk. This guy did not just say fucking... my girlfriend that's also a man is not a girl. Oh, that's what James is saying right now. He's probably raging. This time is called Deception and Justice. I feel like it's gonna be like some like ultimate psychological warfare. Dun, dun, dun. Deception and Injustice. Actually, no, that actually is a really good title for it, actually, because yeah, there isn't too much justice actually being dished out nowadays. A lot of racism, but not racism the way everyone thinks. A lot of inverse racism right now. I want Trump just to fucking walk up and say like 2 words. Like I don't really care what he says after that, but I just want to see the market's initial reaction to this. Bro's fucking late. 12 minutes. Fucking Trump just showing up fashionably late, dude. Kind of cool. Long from 199. This chop is funny. Just not even worth sitting in this right now. I mean, it looks like it's gonna grind up. We could scrape up maybe 10 points, but what if Trump, as soon as he fucking says 2 words, just wicks down, stops us out? And Q won't see 30K. I think it'll be bear market soon. Why? Why do you think that? I think we're gonna blast, like seriously fucking blast, like even harder than right now. But we'll dick around for a little bit. But like 35K, 40K on NQ is coming sooner than we think. And then AI bubble probably pops and pew. And I was thinking 2029 for that, to be honest. But I mean, it's moving a lot faster than I thought it would. So 40K NQ might even be fucking conservative right there. By 2029, 50K NQ. I mean, just thinking about fucking NQ being that high is fucking wild. I don't trade the open. Bro is loading up his position right now. He's calling all the boys. Yo, I'm about to say this shit. I need to get on Trump. I need to get in Trump's fucking group chat, dude. Suvin's talking about STDs. He wants like 3 or 4 STDs. Apparently. Remember when Biden would be like 30 to 45 minutes late? No, I never watched it. There's a little pump. So, I mean, you're thinking 29.4, huh? Today? No, you're not thinking that today, right? Is Powell actually getting replaced next week? Is that a real thing? Chad, does anyone know when Powell's getting replaced? I'm about to fucking find out. I want to see this. When is Powell getting replaced? Holy fucking, yeah, his term ends May 15th. No shit, Jay Powell is fucking done. Nominated former governor Kevin Warsh. I forgot, I put a Kalishi bet on for a different Kevin fucking like 8 months ago. Fucking gay, I lost that. I lost that prediction market bet. Yeah, so Kevin Warsh is going to succeed him. Powell's term as a member of the Fed board runs until January 2028, separate from his chair role. Okay, so he could technically stay on as governor even after stepping down as chair. But apparently he hasn't said if he's going to or not. But there will be a new chairman. It will be Kevin Warsh. Yeah, this will be interesting. I wonder what Kevin Warsh is like. I haven't heard anything about that guy. How are the gas prices we're currently living? I don't know. I don't have a car, dude. Fucking Uber everywhere. I did see when I drove by the gas station, like, I don't know, a month ago when everyone was panicking. I did see like a gas station run, like the gas stations were just flooded and people were like filling up fucking like water bottles of gas and shit. I was like, what the fuck? It reminded me of COVID with the toilet paper. Like, people just panic way too fucking much. Way too much. People need to learn to fucking chill. May 15th. Old news? Yeah, I didn't even fucking hear about this. Or I just didn't really care enough to actually pay attention, but it's good to know now. I really only care about news that affects like me personally, you know what I mean? So like when Warsh fucking comes in hot, I'll start watching him and then I'll care about him, right? I don't really care about him until he starts impacting my life. Just don't give a shit. Not my problem. Bigger things to worry about. More important things to worry about. But I did just download Financial Juice, so maybe I'll be more up to date with news. Trump is about 20 minutes late. Market just grinding up. I mean, we could go for like some 10 point scalpers maybe, but I just want to know what happens as soon as he walks up to the mic. Like, what is gonna happen? We're rolling with a 20 point stop loss, so as soon as he steps in, it could just flush and stop us out. And I guess it's not that big of a deal, but I mean, if this market's gonna keep doing this gay shit, I'll just peace out and we'll come back Monday and we'll take the green day. You know what I mean? How's last month for me? Really good last month. Yeah, last month was great. Last month, actually, we started. No, we did start it in March. Like end of March, we started the longs only challenge, right? Which we're almost done with. And we're fucking crazy green on it, which is fucking amazing. Like literally, like longs are just a fucking life hack. But what are we on? Day 22, 23 or some shit? I mean, we have 4 losing days out of what, 23 trading days. So our win rate is through the fucking roof, longing only. Now the market has been on our side, just being stupid bullish. But I think there's some fucking alpha in there. We'll see over the next, like, pretty much the whole year. But yeah, I mean, I when I first became profitable, I was longing a majority of the time, and then I shorted most of the time last year, and I had my first red year. So I mean, it just makes sense. What is it for? Fuck this. I'm pulling out AI. Too retarded to do math on a calculator. What is the... Had 2 small winning days in the last 20 trading days. 18 days of max daily loss. Are you fucking shorting, dude? I've been longing the fucking top and green pretty much every single day, dude. Like look at this. I fucking dead ass longed the top right here. Took a bunch of L's, longed it again, and now I'm back green. like as long as you long it enough, it's just been printing for me. Yeah, we're at an 82% win rate right now. 82.6% win rate. Only longing. We haven't taken a single short. 82.6% win rate. Like if I didn't start this long only challenge, I probably would have shorted a bunch of times. It fucking blew my shit out. Any trade I take longer, short was instant opposite. Sounds like you're just oversizing and panic selling. You gotta give yourself room to breathe. But sizing is like 90% of traders' problems. Like, maybe even like 95% of traders' problems are just sizing. You see me over here, I'm fucking trading 1 micro. Still fucking making $10, $20, $30,000 a day. Like, we started scaling up the past week, so now we're sending like, you know, a few micros. But we're still just trading a few micros. I don't think we've been up to fucking 10 micros like at all. Maybe one day we did it, but majority of the time we're way below 5 micros. Like 1 to 3 micros is my average trading size. I'm going 50-50. 50 points take profit, 50 points stop loss. Right now we're fucking doing a scalper, so 90 ticks, so like 22.5 points, and it's not really cooking for us, but we're green, so I mean, kind of cooking. Zoom out a little bit. Maybe scalping's not for you. Yeah, yeah. I mean, scalping is a fucking gambling game, anyways. I really believe that, like, if you're like a professional scalper, it's just because you put so much chart time that like your brain literally just knows how the market moves, but just still take massive losses because scalping is literally gambling. Like, how the fuck are you gonna predict where NQ is gonna go in 10 points with a 10-point stop loss? You know what I mean? It's not possible over long periods of time. Unless you have the intuition for it. It could just be a bad month, or fucking, yeah, scalping is just ass. Where's your payout? I post all my payouts in the Discord, baby. Check them out. James is a real retard, that's for sure. Bro just rages nonstop. A real keyboard warrior. Trump is taking a sweet ass time. We're missing out on a few PTs right now, boys. Getting to the point where I might just top blast it. I think as soon as Trump comes on, we'll fucking rocket this 270s. Might be worth it. Holy fucking pumps, boys. Jesus. Just really don't trust chop like this. Upward, a slow upward chop. Especially at all-time highs. We could just go for a 270 scalp. A little bit risque, but do it. FOMO's kicking in a little bit. QQQ runner's about to hit 1,000%. Jesus, of fucking cooking with gas. Is this still the QQQ fucking play from last time you talked about it? What, 3 weeks ago? 2 weeks ago? I remember you were up. You were saying you were up like 400%. Is that the same trade? Now it's up 1,000%. Holy fuck! No, I think you said you were up 1,000%. I think you said you were up 1,000% on that trade too. Is this your second time hitting 1,000%? Holy shit! This is the kind of market for options, low key. I haven't traded options so long. I don't even know, like Charles Schwab took over Thinkorswim. Like, I don't even remember how to use Thinkorswim at this point. If I fucking ran through it, I mean, it'd probably come back to me, but. So those I bought 1 DT end of yesterday, 5 of them. You do 0 DT usually, max degeneracy. Decided to swing 1. Jesus. Fucking right down to fucking full send of 1 DTE, my boy. 1,000%. Crazy. Okay, bottom of the hour coming up. Trump's about 30 minutes late. What if he just ghosts us? He's like, yeah, everyone tune in. But I'm not coming. We're going to reschedule. See you guys next time. Just wants to rage bait us. And so I asked Grok. On first I asked him, "Hey Grok, you think the NQ bull run's over?" He's like, "Nah, just getting started." Hold on, let's take a look at this. All right, yeah. So I asked Grok. I was like, "You think the bull run's over on NQ or just getting started?" He's like, "Just getting started, in my opinion. NQ's been ripping the fresh highs, whatever, fueled by tech AI momentum and strong sessions. Long-term bull trend from AI tailwinds look intact, but expect volatility and pullbacks along the way. Not advice, of course. Markets can flip fast. What's your take?" And then I asked him, I'm like, "Bullish, nice." I'm like, "When do you think the AI bubble will pop?" He's like, "Just getting started, in my opinion. NQ has been ripping to fresh highs." Wait, what the fuck? Oh, yeah, no. Timing a pop is impossible. AI has genuine productivity gains and adoption beyond hype, unlike the .com era, which is huge. Unlike the .com era. So valuations in big tech AI stocks look frothy for the run up. So a 20-30% correction could hit within the next 12 to 24 months on any slowdown or rate surprise. Long term though, early innings. So I mean, I thought this was still the beginning of the AI boom, but AI even agrees with me, so I think I'm fucking right. And I think NQ is going to 35K. I was thinking 35K by the end of the year when we were at 22K. But now that we're at 29K, it's only May. I mean, 40K by end of the year is totally possible. Totally possible. Strickland gonna get stomped on Saturday. I'm actually down to watch that. I like Strickland, he's funny. $290 pivot? Where the fuck are you getting a pivot, dude? What do you mean? We're in no man's land. How can you have a pivot point, dude? It's just not possible. There are no pivot points above where we're currently at. Besides the all-time high pivot point right now. There's standard deviation, but there's just dead ass no pivot points. Like, there just aren't any. Is that tomorrow, that fight? Will Trump speak, right? He's bro's 30 minutes late. He just doesn't give a fuck. Ugh, fuck. We're green on the day. We could just say fuck it. Take the weekend. Basically BE though. Kind of gay. I do still want a revenge trade after yesterday's losses. So maybe taking a little BE day could cook. Or we could top blast it right now. I do think it's going to 270s. Should we just top blast it? Fuck it. Yeah, why not? We'll go for 270s. Fucking my luck. Trump's gonna come on. Hey guys. Let her run, NQ. Let me get a little something. Little some. My top blast. Tomorrow night. Ooh, that's gonna be lit. Buying the highest the market has ever been. This is like, if there was ever a top blast, this is a top blast. Like, look at this. This looks so fucking sketchy too, but we're still just top blasting. A top blast in a dream, baby. Or you guys in like an hour and a half, it'll hit our TP. A few more minutes late. Bro's Gang just finished loading up. Now they're telling subscribers. Oh no, not the pullback. No, long in the fucking highest the market's ever been isn't working. No. Don't hit the stop loss. Oh my god, one tick. Fuck yeah. Hold the line, motherfuckers. Hold the line. Ah, got me. Guy long in the top didn't work, boys. Did not work. A little volatility kicking in. Is Trump live? No, he's still not live. We'll rip. I'd be probably just long the fucking the very, very top of the market. That's funny. I'll be right back.
Gentlemen, the President of the United States, Donald J. Trump.
Shit, Trumpy Boo's here. Get him, Trumper. Fuck. Find him, take the get. Fuck. Classic. Fucking classic.
Listen to the whole song.
This is exactly what I thought was going to happen when Trump was walking up. A little flush and pump.
Tribute to all of us. Why don't we sit down? We've got plenty of time, right?
Can you guys hear this?
Special people, very special people. And I hope you like what we're doing. Did everybody get to see the Presidential Walk of Fame? Right?
Should we just buy it? Fuck it.
Some of your favorite presidents
try it.
here, some of your least favorite presidents.
Double down this
some
time.
Some were good, some were great, some were terrible. But that's the way life goes, right? And you notice the roses. This is a rose garden, and we added a lot of roses, I will tell you. This was a rose garden that didn't have too many roses, and if you look now, we cornered the market on roses, and you deserve them. So thank you for being with us in this beautiful spring, this gorgeous spring day. The very famous rose garden has been famous for a long time. They let it get a little bit out of control, but now it's brought back to the highest level. And, you know, where you're standing or sitting right now is white stone, and that was grass. And the problem with it is you couldn't walk on it because this is built on a wetland, and the grass was always soaking wet. It didn't matter. It was always soaking wet, absolutely. And so when Brooke Rollins would get up and start making a magnificent speech, and she'd be standing in mud, and she'd say, I ruined my shoes. Her speeches would never be as good as they could have been because she was always concerned about ruining her shoes. But people would come here, women would come with the high heels, and it wasn't a pretty picture. So after about 150 years, we gave up on the grass, so we said, let's build it so we can use it. And now we have lunches here, we have dinners here, and it's nice and it's
Add
cool.
more.
The white reflects the sun, so you don't. Although it does go in my eye.
Give me
right
that
now,
Trump
I
pump.
noticed. I didn't anticipate that, but it's a great place. It's a great place, and we do news conferences. We do everything, and right up here, you probably noticed a new black granite, and it's been so well received. People can't even believe it because the stones were all broken and really in bad disrepair, and it's really become great. And we added the pictures of the presidents from George Washington to a guy named Trump, and people really, they've loved it. We call it the Presidential Wall of Fame or Walk of Fame. We say you could call it either. Do you like walk or wall? Ready? Walk, Presidential Walk of Fame. Presidential Wall of Fame.
Testing the trend
Same.
line.
That's the same. I would call that a tie. But I want to thank you all for being here. It's amazing. The weekend we celebrate Mother's Day, honoring the women who raised us and all of the wonderful mothers in our lives for millions of American families. Sunday will be filled with love and gratitude and joy. I had a great mother, by the way. And today we're honored to be joined by many strong and truly heroic moms.
Let's turn off one of these TVs, see if he fucking says something stupid bullish.
And in a very profound loss, very, very terrible in many, just terrible loss.
Let's take off two of them. Let's see if he says something crazy bullish and just fucking rips.
Angel moms, they're with us today. They're great people. They've been through so much, and I got to know so many of you during my first days of running. I got to know you and I got to love you. But we want to thank you for being here. Mother's Day, it's one of the great days. I always think so fondly of my mother. I had a wonderful mother. Among those with us this afternoon are a number of the angel moms who saw their precious children stolen from them by the open border policies of the radical left. Open borders, I call them stupid borders, not open. I call them stupid borders.
We're cooked
by
on this
stupid
one.
people that put them there. And the migrant criminals
Possibly
that
went a little heavy too.
they let them pour into our country, and bad things happened. Bad things happened. 25 million people came into our country.
Heavy. Went 5 micros.
Many of them were criminals. Many of them were murderers. They allowed them in with their open border policy of stupidity.
That's actually nasty.
These incredibly brave and resilient women have turned terrible tragedy into unyielding resolve, becoming advocates so that their mothers do not have to endure the same heartache that they've felt.
You just get bottom ticked again?
All their lives they've felt for so long. They've raised the most beautiful child that has taken, and they've
it's a trend line break
so many years. In many
sketchy.
cases, I see some of you I've known you for years, and others are unfortunately new members of that club. And I say unfortunately, it's a sad thing. Should have never happened. Should have never happened. In their honor, we've rapidly turned the worst and most dangerous border in the history of our country into the strongest border in American history. We have no people come in during the last 11 months. We have zero. Nobody even tries to come up. You know, you used to read about the thousands of people that would pour in and they'd just come up in caravans. I think it was my name I came up with. It looked like a caravan. 25, 30,000 people pouring up. They walk through Mexico. They come from all different locations, come from all over the world, actually. But they came in through our southern border, and they'd come up and just let them walk in. They'd walk in. Nobody had any idea who they were. They were murderers. 11,888 murderers.
Right now.
They were allowed to come into our country. We've gotten a lot of them out. Many of them murdered more than one person. What a shame. What a disgusting shame. That people can even think that this is okay is pretty incredible. But for the past 12 months, that's been our number. And these numbers are done by
175 cooked though.
People that the numbers when I say zero, I actually mean zero. It's hard to believe, actually. But they're done by people that they tend to be somewhat on the left. So they're not going to give us a fair shake. And they say that, people don't come anymore because they know they're not going to get through. So when they know they're not going to get through, they just don't come. And just on that, we save a lot of lives. Because that journey up from Honduras and El Salvador and lots of other countries, or from the Congo.
Might
where
try the
they drop
175
them
though.
there, and they walk up and they come through our
For a
country.
scalper.
They emptied the prisons of the Congo into the area of the southern border, and then told them to just walk in because stupid Americans are going to accept you beautifully. And these were hard, mean, vicious criminals they allowed into our country.
This Mother's Day speech.
How anybody can vote for these people is hard to believe, okay? It's hard to believe. But to a friend of mine, Marianne Mendoza. Marianne, where is Marianne? Where are you, Marianne? I got to know you right from the beginning, right? And I won't ask her that, but I would often ask, is it easier with time? Because time has gone by. Marianne, no, it's not. Sadly, it's not. You know, you always hear with time, but a lot of people say it's not easier. But you're a special woman. I've gotten to be a friend of yours. You're a special woman. What you have to go through is disgraceful.
215.
Tammy Nobles. Tammy, are you here? Tammy Nobles. Right. Does time help,
Looks like
Tammy?
a pullback. Will we get our 175 though?
It used to be. You know, time heals all wounds, right? But it doesn't. When you love somebody that much, it doesn't help like it should. Jacqueline Medina, a great person. Where is Jacqueline? Jacqueline, where are you? Thank you, darling. Thank you. And so many others that I want to thank you for coming. And I don't think you've been treated properly. It's hard to believe, but the angel moms have not been treated properly. But this president treats you properly. I can't speak for others, but this one treats you properly. And we love you all, and all I can say is our hearts are out to you on Mother's Day, and you have a good Mother's Day. Go and have a good Mother's Day. In securing our border, we've also made tremendous strides in stopping the flow of illegal drugs into our country. The flood of deadly fentanyl across our border is down by 59%, and the drugs coming in by sea are down by 97%. 97%. And we're trying to figure out who the 3% are, because they are the bravest people on earth. You see how we stop them by sea. You know, for years they'd go and catch the boat, bring them to court, they'd go in, they'd go out. By the time of the evening, they'd be back on another boat, bringing drugs in. So we gave them warning, and we don't do that anymore. We do it much more efficiently. But think of that, down by sea. A lot of them came in, about 50%. It's down 97. Now we've started a very strong. The sea was more difficult, and now we've started land, and you'll see it coming down. It's come down a lot, but you'll see it coming down. And they come through Mexico for the most part. We have a problem because the cartels rule Mexico.
I don't want to chase this with a 15-minute. Looks pretty good for
They
us.
just rule it. And
I think we can get 175. So
200,000 people a year through this poison that pours into our country. So we have the sea done, meaning the ocean, waterways, pretty much done, 97%, and we're going to have the land done very soon. I want to thank the brave moms fighting the epidemic of drug addiction here, and this afternoon, including Ann Funder. Ann, you here someplace? Ann Funder does a great job. Wow, good. That's a great job you do, Ann. Stephanie Rowe. Stephanie, thank you.
could be shorts.
Thank you, Stephanie. Thank you.
It could be.
Behind the cameras there, Stephanie. Thank you very much. And a friend of mine, Jackie Siegel, who's a great mom, great mother. Thank you, Jackie.
Fuck,
I've known her for a long time. She looks better now than she did 20 years ago, right? Thank you very much, Jackie.
See, she still wants
Last
to
summer, it
fucking
was my
blast.
great honor
God damn
to
it.
sign
Didn't
the
get our
whole
175.
Fentanyl Act into law, and we'll never give up on that mission for ending the drug epidemic in America. We've come a long way, though. We've stopped massive amounts of
I just need
drugs
to
from
send it.
coming in. This afternoon, we're also joined by some of the most extraordinary
I'll go
mothers
for it.
our nation
For the
has ever
70s.
produced, our cherished Gold Star moms. These are Gold Star moms. These mothers raised up children so selfless and so devoted that they volunteered to wear the uniform of our nation
Hopefully we don't
and
get
laid
clapped
down
right
their
in.
lives for all of us. One of those mothers is Janice Chance. Janice? Where is Janice? Thank you. Thank you, Janice. Hi, you look great. That's a beautiful hat. Thank you, Janice. Who lost her son, Marine Captain Jesse Melton, and I heard he was an outstanding. They give me lists and they tell me about people. You know, they said that Jesse was outstanding, Janice. They have the word outstanding. Thank you for being here. Just before he went to Afghanistan in 2008, Jesse told his mother, "Mom, I want to go change the world and make it an even better place. I want to make it a better place, Mom." Just before his 30th birthday, even though he had the day off, Jesse volunteered to take the place of a fellow Marine and that of his brother-in-arms could be present for the birth of a daughter. That day, Jesse gave his life for our country. Jesse was struck down that day by helping somebody else. And Janice, I want to say America is a strong and free nation today because of people like your great son, and we want to thank you for being here. Thank you very much, son.
I think you can rip it.
I also want to express my love for the moms with us whose extraordinary heroes gave their lives in the terrorist attack at Abbey Gate in Afghanistan. I got to know you very well, very well. And these are phenomenal people. We went to a club I own in Bedminster, New Jersey, which is beautiful. They played music. They said, "Do you actually think he's coming out?" They said yes. And I was going to do just to stop by and say hello. And we ended up listening to music for 4 hours on that beautiful night, looking at the sky, thinking about those wonderful people. Abbey Gate, very well known. Should have never happened. That should have never happened. That was incompetence by the Biden administration. So to Alice Lopez, you know that, right? Yeah, we know that. To Alicia Lopez and Paula Knaus, Self,
Can we still
Coral,
break it now?
Persino, and to all of the Abbey Gate moms, we're thinking of you in this Mother's Day. And again, we had you to the White House. We had you to, I was over at a very beautiful cemetery.
Two runners in case Trump actually gets somewhere with this and says something crazy.
We went over and we paid our respects, but we lost.
Yes, it did by all day.
Great people that day.
We
shouldn't have lost any people that day. Gross incompetence. This Mother's Day, we're thinking of all of those incredible moms, and we're doing everything in our power to support them and millions of other mothers all across America. And we're blessed to have many wonderful mothers serving in this administration, including Secretary of Agriculture, Brooke Rollins, who's doing a phenomenal job. Thank you very much. And the first woman ever to serve as a White House Chief of Staff. She's become a legend, Susie Wiles. She's amazing. To help American families and mothers, we passed a great, big, beautiful bill, the largest tax cuts in American history. We expanded the child tax credit to $2,200 from a much lower number per child, and delivered the largest expansion of school choice in American history. We have school choice all over now. We had virtually none. Everybody loves school choice. With accounts, we have a very special thing, the Trump accounts, where we're helping families to set aside tax advantage savings for their children's future. And we are giving every American newborn child $1,000 automatically to invest and to grow over the course of their lives. And I want to thank the Dell family. It's a great family. He is amazing. She is amazing. They've done such a job on that. They put up a lot of money, too. Put up $6.25 billion. That's somebody. And he started making computers on his bed in college and selling them because they were better than other computers. And I said, "How did you do that?" He said, "Well, I did it, and I just never stopped. It just kept going." So go out and buy a Dell. They're great. We're also working to make it easier than ever before to start a family by lowering the price of IVF, cutting regulatory battles and barriers, and fighting to bring down the cost of living so that more Americans can
Rejection
pursue
could be nasty
the
from
dream.
all-time highs, but it looks like she's going to push.
And it's a dream of living just a good life, maybe a great life. We cut drug prices now with the Favored nations, most favored nations, we cut them by
Slow grind.
70, 80, 90%. You could say 500%, 600, depending on the way you phrase the statement. But we now play. So when I was here, this was a big ambition right at the beginning. I was able to cut them a little bit, but I didn't cut them. I cut them more than anybody else, which was a little bit. Because for 28 years, drug prices and prescription drugs only went in one direction.
I bail on this.
And when I came back, we now
that little tiny
did something
all-time
that
high speed
everybody
wasn't
said
doing
was
it for
impossible.
me.
Favored nations. We had the highest drug prices in the world by far.
Nobody wants to
now
full
we
port
have
the fucking
the
highs,
lowest
huh?
drug prices in the world. Can you imagine? So we cut them by 50, 60, 70%, and go out and you'll see exactly. It's one of the big. I think it's one of the biggest things that we've done. Drugs that were costing in London $10 for a pill would cost $130 for a pill in the United States. And now, if it's $10 or if it's $20, that's what we pay. We pay the lowest price anywhere in the world, so it's great. And the fake news doesn't want to write about it, but that's why I talk about it, because we have no choice. We have to. So I just want to, again, I want to thank everybody for being here. It's so important. We do things like we keep men out of women's sports, a very popular issue. We stopped transgender mutilization of your children for everyone. We don't have that.
Thank the Lordy.
But I want to thank every single mother here this afternoon and all across our nation for your work every single day. America's moms are really raising the future of our country, the most important. You have the most, we don't call it a job because when you love it, it's not a job, but for this purpose, you have the most important job there is in America or any place else. And you're doing an incredible job. I just want to wish you all a very happy Mother's Day. We're going to have a great Mother's Day. And for those mothers that lost their child, many of whom are with us today, the angel moms and others, Gold Star moms, we love you especially. We love you maybe even the most. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it.
No way that's all he says, right? That's it. The fuck? He didn't even actually say anything. That was it? Oh my god. I've heard him say the same shit so many times. He didn't say anything new. Fucking lame. Dumb skeet? No, probably not. But again, it's fucking having a real hard time blast through all-time highs, so maybe, but it's still just so bullish. The pool does? Yeah, I totally thought he was gonna say some fucking crazy shit, but I guess we'll save it for later. Maybe I'll write a tweet before market closes. Oh, fuck. Think bullish? You think so? I wonder why. This all-time high is getting rejected so many times. So, like, I don't know. This is just super lame market to trade. But now that I'm red, I don't want a red day. I want to keep my 82.6% win rate going. So I'm more inclined to keep trading. That usually does not end very well, though. Especially when the market's not doing dick. New hourly? Oh, yeah, top of the hour incoming. 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes. 1 minute. I don't think there's gonna be a big dump today, but maybe like 10 minutes before close. But this is gonna be a fucking grind and a half. Down 600 with 2 micros. What are you doing? Shorting, dude? How are you down 600 with 2 micros? Top of the hour incoming. Bottom of the range is 196. She's still holding so bullish. Yeah, we got a whole lot of nothing at the top of the hour. Oh, we're getting a little bit of a push. Is that another new fucking all-time high? Little tiny one? It's going like 1 point. That's sweeping all-time high by like fucking a couple ticks. Not even a point, it looks like. Is that a point? No, it was a whole point. A whole 1 point. Nice. There's the push. Fuck. 270s incoming. I'm just tired. Fucking just bullshit. Just so slow. Such a grinder. 270s coming though. This might be the full-blown run. See what happens at 270s. No big rejection. I'm fucking top blasting. Problem is, we only get one of these fucking 30-point dildos every fucking long ass time. I'm gonna try the top last. We'll go for 300s. Fuck it. Yeah, you should just keep running. Big push, big push. Come on, baby. My next standard div is at 330s, 320s. Hopefully this is a real breakout, not a bullshit one. We'll run one on her in case she does fucking just completely go bad shit here. We grinded for so long, maybe she just rips. I'll take one TP off too, fuck it. We'll get some real juice flowing. Long in the top, baby. Chasing all day. Basically went 170 points rotation from 4-hour high to 2 rotations. It's like it's still long from 199. Diamond hands, baby. Got the bottom of this move. It's beautiful. I'm dead ass just chasing. I've been chasing fucking all day, but behind the top is just kind of working. Let's hope we can go all the way. Big push, yeah. No, not the one ticker again. Big fucking push. Psychological level incoming, 300s. Intel pumping to the moon. Ooh. I like the sound of that. Keep on blasting, baby. Keep on blasting. No 40-point pullback, por favor. Mad enough, FP straight up grinder. Using our entry as fucking support. Look at that. That's kind of nice. Hold the fucking line, baby. Could have been the devastation sweep. Fuck it. Finish off the shorts. It looks like they just got squeezed like a motherfucker. Pretty gay how I missed our TP by like 1 point again. It's coming up to our trend line, but I don't think I want to add. It's not a bad ad though. We should try it. See if we can squeeze out a green day here. It'll be a little one, but maybe it'll be a green one. $80-20 only uses 20 and 80 numbers to take reversal positions. For this astrology shit, dude. We get a full-blown breakout. Our ad TP is about to hit. Fucking schmecky. Oh, scalping. And we're back to green, baby. Now she just needs to keep on running. That TP up, motherfucker. Sometimes you just gotta long the top. I mean, do you know what I mean? Sometimes when the market's at the highest it's ever been in the history of the world, you just gotta long it. Probably shorting at 320 or 380. Probably better is not shorting. That's probably a good idea. You never short all-time highs. Yeah, I wonder why. There's a reason the market gets to the highest it's ever been. And it's probably not because it's bearish. It's also really annoying to long all-time highs though, because the grinds are fucking serious business. Seriously slow. It's hard to do it. It's hard to short all-time highs. It's retarded to short all-time highs. Like if you have the thought like pop in your head, oh maybe I should short all-time highs, just don't. It's just retarded. Doesn't make sense. I did it for a fucking whole year last year. It's just retarded. What's karma cookie for that comment? For what? Saying never short all-time highs? Might, but probably not gonna go down 1,000 points, you know what I mean? Might hit my stop losses, but a real fucking drop. I mean, maybe it's Friday, but I don't know. It's better just to long it. Just imagine how many accounts you would have blown though if you didn't do the long only strat. A fucking lot, dude. A lot. I was a short fucking addict. and it would have been fucking during the like one of those bullish fucking months of the fucking like ever. So I would have blown so many fucking accounts. So many. Watch shorts cook for 100 points. They might. I mean, we've been grinding pretty hard, but I just I don't know. If I get stopped out and it goes down to 100 points, I'm just gonna long it again and it's probably gonna go up. Pretty much what I've been doing every fucking day is literally just longing the top, sometimes getting stopped out, and then I just long the pullback, fucking end up green. 82.6% win rate. So it's like you can short, but is it retarded? It's fucking retarded. just stupid. Like right now, this looks like a good short, but is it gonna have a massive sell-off? Probably fucking not, right? Just because it's fucking so high doesn't mean it has to come down. You're long from lower, scary long tops. I know, I hate it, but I've been doing it and it's been cooking. I mean, we literally just longed the top of this candle. I mean, we only got what, 24 points? No, 14 points. Oh, but we added down here. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It is scary, but it makes money. I've been doing it pretty much every fucking day for the past, what, 23 days? Well, those are mostly the days that I don't have patience. Some days I actually wait for a pullback. But most of the days, fucking, I'm long at the top, baby. Now, once this market stops being so bullish, long in the top is going to be a terrible fucking idea. But, probably still got some time to go. Genius level, sir, with longs only. Yeah. We picked a great time to go longs only. We really did. Yeah, when we started this long only thing, I think it was like March like 2026 or some shit. Yeah, I think it was like this week, and it was bearish, but it was still green every single fucking day. That's when we were like in that market correction cycle, and then March 31st is when we bottomed out and we just ripped fucking the whole time. This bitch needs to whoosh. How much are you up on the week? I think I'm break even on the week because we had DLL Monday and DLL yesterday. We might actually be down a little bit on the week. No, we had two banger days this week. Yeah, we're about break even on the week. Yeah, because Friday we also took an L. Took an L on Friday, Monday, and then yesterday. Just rejected all-time highs again. Well, this is like a 40-point burst, huh? I wonder if we can get another 40-pointer. I do have one micro with no TP right now, but I'm getting kind of burnt out. So, I mean, assuming it hits these two TPs, I might just cut the stream and we'll just see how far that runner goes. TPT fucking updated their rules to to not close your account if you have a position or like a limit order open till end of day. They just automatically close it for you now. So I'm pretty sure every prop firm does that now that I trade. So we could just hold one micro into close, I'm pretty sure. I forget what Apex rules about that are on the legacy accounts. They'll auto close it or not. They'll just fail it. Well, I don't know. It'd be hard to find the legacy rules too. Yeah, X Cloud. Two rallies circa 2,000 points this week. That's crazy. Break even, yeah, we did dumb shit Monday and fucking yesterday. I'm sure you're up fucking bands though, James. So fucking good, dude. It looks like it is a violation. The auto close is there for a backstop. If it doesn't work, then I lose my accounts. 459, jeez. Really working on getting these fucking pumps in, baby. $44K in payouts for you this week already? Nice. Yeah, I fucked up by trading Friday and Monday. Those were bank holidays for other countries. Monday I just didn't give a fuck and I was just being a retard. I literally just did not give a fuck. I was just clicking buttons. And then yesterday I was just tilting. Otherwise we'd have racks on racks this week. Had a lot of banger days where they got washed out from tilts. Finally got to 300. Now we just need 400. It's picking up some steam now. Finally fucking moving a little bit. Now she just needs to fucking 1,000-point green dildo for us. Well, we're back to where we started the day at, which is nice. Good old-fashioned 3-hour stream to make what we made in the first 10 minutes of our stream. Goes to show it doesn't matter how much time you spend on the charts, doesn't mean you're gonna make more money. Low-key, if we use our 50-point actually, no, this would have got us if we used the 50-pointer. Well, only on one trade it would have got us. All the other trades that we got stopped out on. Did we buy it? No, that was a TP. Oh, no, but we bought it. Where? 77. That would have missed our stop loss by like 3 points. Oh, no, that would have stopped us out. Yeah, never mind. We will lead just along the top. Yeah. Yeah, I think next week we're gonna go back to the 50 pointers though. I'm not too big on this this 22 point scalping regimen we've been on. Then we just gotta remember fucking not to long the top. Or we could keep longing the top and keep fucking scalping, which is, I mean, it's working, right? I mean, 3 out of 5 days green. Technically, anything we make today is profit on the week, I believe. I think I gotta like plan 1 day a month to just fucking hammer out some evals, like fucking just 3 minis, fucking full send them. Fucking tilt a little bit. Just let it out, you know what I mean? Oh my god. It's getting so close to our TP. Oh. 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 Oh yeah. Oh fuck it. Oh come on, that's like in my TP. Nah. Look at that. That's some bullshit right there. I feel like that should have been filled. Watch it fucking fall off a cliff now. That'd be so bogus. That come on, just hit it, dude. You can hit it like no, move it up a little bit. How about that? Get 1 extra point. Come on, 1 extra point. 1 micro. That's what, $1, $2? LG. Come on, hit it. Hit it, motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah. We might need to switch to the 15-second chart so we can get a good look at this. Oh no, is it really gonna fucking reject? No, I was just kidding. Don't actually reject like that. That's super gay. Super gay. What if it goes off the cliff? Try panic cell. Let's go up. Just extra $6. How about that? Did you guys see that though? That should have fucking filled. That was fucking gay. Watch that be high of day too, and it just didn't fill me. That'd be so fucking. I'll be pissed off all weekend if that's the case. Everything's getting bullish across the board now, actually. YM just being gay as fuck. Typical. Typical YM. What are you thinking? End of day sell off or end of day pump? End of the day at fucking 650s or what? Oh shit, this is actually our standard div right here at 329. The next one is 680s, 670s. That's a -4 standard div. Yeah, if it misses my TP by just a little bit, then fucking, you know, if it gets back there, it's gonna fucking rip pretty hard, right? What the fuck is read API? The Firewire? What the fuck? Make a sick clip with that shit right here. Like, I fucking knew price was gonna go there, so I put my TP there. It's just market makers were against me and they didn't fill me. The whole market's against me because I am the ghost in the machine. -4 at 430k for the -5. Jesus, 30k. And the way today's been going, I wouldn't be surprised if we had a fucking insane ripper into close, like hundreds of points. I kind of want a full port. Am I being a pussy for not full porting this right now? We have a shot at ending the day red though, and I can't do it. I can't have 3 out of 5 days red. I can't do it. But we could also make a fuckload of money. Ho, 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 ho. I just add 2 more. Good. Top list. Let's go for it. You both still pump? Make it nasty. Cortisol spiking. I'm long in the top. Time is it over there? Fucking 12:30. Midnight. You're so gay if the top's out right now. Am I just adding at the worst fucking times? As soon as I add, it rejects. Should we add more? Just one more. How about that? Which part of the world are you in? I'm in Thailand. Cute Longboard, dude must be printing. Yeah, kinda. Yesterday I had a fucking tilt day. So it kind of set us back a little bit. And Monday I just went full retard. So it's like a BE week. If this trade smacks though, then we're looking pretty good. But we also just long the very top with size, so we might just end up red on the day again. Could be so gay. It's so fucking possible. And it looks like it wants to do it too. It's super gay about it. Give me the fucking green dildo that could. Could blast it, baby. So unbelievably gay if this is a 100-point pullback. It's about to happen. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, blast it, motherfucker, blast it. Do 5-minute full sender. little bit nervous with these fucking wicks right here. Chances are it's gonna be bullish. Grind up forever and ever and ever and ever. Blast the motherfucker. Big push, big push. Let's see if it's gonna hit our previous TP. Ooh, we just smacked it. Gonna hit our next one. Is it gonna do it to us again? That'd be super fucking lame. 320 exactly. Whenever our boys say this is a fucking reversal signal right here, I'll take one off. 320 exactly. It's a little sus. Especially since our boy fucking said something about it earlier. You're getting me all nervous now. It's so fucking gay. All-time high grind is fucking real. Sell pressure's getting kind of real too, with a fucking wick fucking sweep and fucking 320s. All right, whatever. I'm fucking out. I'm done. I'm done. I'm fucking done. Fuck this shit. If it just rips right now, fuck me. Even harder. Whoever fucking said 20s and 80s are a fucking reversal level fucking got me all paranoid. It has to make a pullback, right? No, it doesn't, dude. It doesn't. But I'm fucking paranoid as shit now because fucking live chat's fucking with me. I took a little L on that little red one right there. Oh, these were good ads though. Nice. Yeah, whatever. We're a little bit green. We pretty much wasted 3 hours. We were greener than this 10 minutes into the day. Gotta love trading, boys. Gotta love it. Make more money in 10 minutes than in 3.5 hours of trading. All right, boys, I'm out. Everybody have a good weekend. I'm fucking tired. It's almost 1 a.m. here. I have some serious pickleballing to do tomorrow too, so fuck. Look at that pullback. Dude, maybe fucking the 20s and 80s is onto something. I'm gonna keep that in mind actually. If this like absolutely dumps, I'll be fucking like, okay, yeah, I'll seriously start watching 20s and 80s. It's I feel like it just doesn't really make sense, but I don't know. Yeah, but GG's, boys. We ended up green. LF fucking G. Very, very tiny green day. But it's still a green one. Woo! 1,900 LG. Technically it puts us green on the week, I think, though, so I'm happy with it. All right, boys, stay beautiful. Fucking love you. Be back Monday, 10:15 a.m. EST sharp. See you then. Peace out.
Oh.